Hi, I'm Richard Westbrook, driver of the number 85 GTP JDC Porsche 963. Here's our car, all in bits at the moment, getting ready for qualifying today at Sebring for the 12 Hours of Sebring tomorrow. Let's go and have a look at the car. So here's our cockpit. This is where we do all our work. This is our office, if you like. Just quickly show you the steering wheel, which has changed a lot over the years. I have to say, it's much more technical now. Used to be just pit lane speed limiter and a button to talk on the radio. Now we have all these dials that do so many different things. So the simple ones first: upshift, downshift, so we don't have to use a clutch. When we pull away, this is our clutch, but we'll only use that when we leave the pits. Because this is a hybrid car, we pull away on the electric motor, so that's where we use the electric motor the most. So it's really cool when you see the cars pull away. You're just on an EV, so there's no sound, but by the time you get to the end of the pit lane, the normally aspirated engine kicks in. It's just this monster roar. It's really cool to see. So if you ever get a chance to come to the track, that's something to witness. What else have we got here? So these are all our little sub dials that do so many different things. Without getting too technical, there's a lot of things the driver can do to change the balance of the car. This is endurance racing, so you're in the car for 2 hours at a time. The tires get very old at the end of the stint, so you tend to lose a lot of rear grip, and there's a lot of stuff we can do on here to change the balance of the car so you can stay on top of it. The button that we use the most, I would say, is the radio, and that's talking to the pit lane. They have all the telemetry on the pit stand, so they can see everything that's going on in the car. It's like mission control. So they're constantly telling us, like giving us suggestions of stuff that we can do to improve the balance of the car. Okay.